Hi, boys and girls. We are learning about different ways that we can add two-digit numbers and one-digit numbers. So this time we're going to use base 10 blocks to add, but we're going to draw them on our paper and then count. So if I were to draw 5 ones above the 5, I would go like this, and I want you to do this with me. Draw 5 dots showing 5 ones. Now we're going to draw 31, so we're going to have 3 10 sticks and 1 1. Now we go back and count all of them together to find the answer. So count with me, we start with 10s. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So what's the answer? 36. Okay. Now we're going to do 51 plus 7. So before we start, let's do the 10 blocks. 51 plus 7. And then we count it. So I'm not going to have to go back and count the 51 because I already know that I have that there. I can just keep counting. 52, 53, 54. So what did you stop on? 58. On the next one, we're going to draw 74. So there's 40, 50, 60, 74, and then 5 more. So let's count it. 74, 75, 76, 77, 79. Good. Okay, the next one says that we need to draw 84. So let's draw 80. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 4, and then 3. So if I add the 4 and the 3, what do I have? 87. Very good. Boys and girls, I want you to look at this next one. 40 plus 9. Do you think that we need to draw the 10s here, or do we just know the answer? 40 plus 9, what is that going to be? 49. Good. And the last one is 92. So let's draw 90. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 2 plus 6. Okay, so if we have 92, let's keep counting. 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. So what's the answer? 98. Well done. Thank you. If you turn it over on the back, you have some -5s, some subtraction problems to practice. And when you're finished, you turn it into your teacher.